Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech and Art. Today we are going to discuss about the consistency error solution process of database. We discuss about today the functionality of the database checkdb. Normally we are using the dbcc command dbcc checkdb to check the database consistency. But today we discuss about the database consistency, the dbcc checkdb, how it's work internally. So basically the checkdb is a useful command to check the consistency error, which will later save you from the high level of database corruption. Okay, the command is used to check the physical as well as the logical integrity of the specified database objects. So what this command is doing, the command is basically doing the physical level of database consistency or the logical level of database consistency. Both level of consistency it's checking, right? So it's very mandatory to use the dbcc checkdb in each environment, right? So now the point is how it's work internally. So basically the dbcc checkdb command facilitates the function of three commands. Okay, so avoiding the need of running the command separately. Okay, the dbcc checkdb, for avoiding the commands running the command separately, it's hitting the internally dbcc check alloc, dbcc check table, or dbcc check catalog. Let me highlight these three. If you focus here, what the line is saying, to avoiding these three, dbcc check alloc, dbcc check catalog, dbcc check table, in place of these three we are hitting just simple command dbcc checkdb, which means the dbcc checkdb is associated with this all three commands, right? dbcc check alloc, dbcc check catalog, or dbcc check table, right? So you no need to hit these three commands separately. You just hit the command dbcc checkdb. It will trigger all those three, right? So now the point is, what is the use of this these three commands, right? If you focus here, this line, so each command having the own functionality. dbcc check catalog, right, used to check the disk space allocation structure for a particular database. As I said above, dbcc checkdb is checking the physical level or logical level of the database consistency, right? So dbcc check alloc is basically checking the disk space allocation structure of a particular database, right? dbcc check table used to check the integrity of a structure and pages that build up in the index, views, or tables, right? And the dbcc check catalog used to check the consistency of a catalog for a specified database, but the database has to be online. So these three commands tagged with the dbcc checkdb. So running these three individually, you can hit it dbcc checkdb, it will trigger these three, right? So now the point is, if you are getting any corruption error in a dbcc checkdb command, so how to resolve this command? So for this also, you can go with this method. I'm not going to describe these commands individually. You can check the dbcc data purity and the below two commands, right? If you found any corruption and error, take the database, just focus on these steps. Take the database in a single user and use the repair allow data loss command. It will repair the database, and check again database purity, dbcc checkdb with data purity, and then put it database in a multi-user mode. But in some case it will still, you will not able to resolve the database corruption error. So page level, then you need to fix it on through the you need to fix the page from the backups. That is the huge topics. I'm not going to touch in this case, in these topics, right? Because you need to trace on the 3064 dbcc trace on, then you need to find it the particular page, then you need to identify the particular page data value corruption. If you are able to find it, that particular data value, then you need to repair the page from here, restore the particular page from the backups. So instead of doing these things, if you finding the error, if you are not able to fix the here, right, you can restore it with the healthy backups that I would suggest. Go and restore it the database based on the permission and all. So today's session was the basically focus on these DBCC CheckDB functionality, how it's work internally. So these are the three components which is running internally if you are hitting the DBCC CheckDB. So hope it's clear for the database, for the functionality of DBCC CheckDB. In the next video I will come with another topics. Thanks for watching.